morning, South Africa. Goeiemorgen, South Africa. This video is for Eric. It's a friend of mine in America, and he asked me, how do you greet somebody in Afrikaans? Because I'm going to have an interview with Eric. He's a professional nurse, and he's on the carnivore diet for 1 year. And the interview is this Saturday, the 27th of August at 6 p.m. South African time, and it will be 9 a.m. where Eric is at in America. So Eric, if you want to greet somebody in the evening, you say Goeienaand South Africa if you are greeting the audience. But I'm looking forward to our discussion, Eric, and out of the nature of my work, I speak to a lot of professional people in the medical field. And recently I spoke to a person who has been diagnosed with early Alzheimer's, and their partner unfortunately has high uric acid levels and has type 2 diabetes. Both these people still have good kidney function, so they can do the carnivore diet. And we know we are reversing type 2 diabetes with the carnivore diet, and we know we are reversing high acid levels with the carnivore diet. I've got videos about that on my frequently asked question playlist and on my testimonial playlist on YouTube. But Eric, I'm looking forward to our discussion, and it's always a privilege for me to talk to professional people in the medical field, because you guys are at the front line. And as I always tell the professional people in the medical field, you've got a certain responsibility to help somebody. You know, like I always meet people that even their close loved ones, and in certain cases they themselves are not well, and yet they give out advice for people about medicine and health, and they're advising people, and people trust them. But we will have an interesting discussion on Saturday, 6 p.m. South African time, 9 a.m. Your time in America where you're at, and I'm looking forward to it. See you, my friend. I tag Eric in this video, give him a follow. So if you have high uric acid levels, and the person in question also has high uric acid levels, if you have high uric acid levels, your chances of getting vascular dementia is 44% higher. Your chances of getting a stroke is 32% higher. Your chances of getting heart disease is 38% higher. So high uric acid levels is not 7 and up. High uric acid levels start at 4.5. The trouble is, gout and arthritis starts from acidity level from 7 and up. And if you are having high uric acid levels from 4.5 and upwards, you are not treated. The trouble is, as I just mentioned, that vascular dementia has a 44% higher risk with higher uric acid levels. And what happens is the uric acid hardens the arteries. But we'll talk more about that. I've got videos about that on my blog. Check out video number 12 as well as on my frequently asked question playlist. I have a video about high uric acid levels as well. But we'll definitely talk about that on Saturday.